Still watching MX24. My name is Benedict. It's time to update you in the world of sports, and today we look at the Black Stars, their game against Mali, their very first international friendly under new coach CK Akono. We'll be hearing from the players and the sports minister Isaac Isiama and do some bit of international news. But of course, we have to start here from the local scene. And yesterday, the Ghana Football Association released the fixtures for the Ghana Premier League 2020-21 season. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Accra Hearts of Oak will play on match day 14, and Ashanti Gold Asante Kotoko and Mediama FC will all begin the new season at home, whereas Accra Hearts of Oak, Karela and Dreams FC will be on the road on match day 1 of the season. Busondos will welcome neighbors Elmina Sharks with the game between the Aduana Stars and Accra Hearts of Oak promising to be match of the week on match day 1. So away from the Ghana Premier League, now to the Black Stars, and they've been preparing for the international friendlies against Mali and Qatar. And of course, today is the very first one under new coach CK Akono, as I mentioned earlier. Well, Thomas Partey, who recently signed for Arsenal, is the first vice captain of the team, and he says they are very ready for the game this afternoon.
Having a good competition, all the guys are training well. I think this will, as I said, it will help the team to grow. Everyone will be, on their feet, trying to win the heart of the coach, as I said, and also give more pressure on those that think that they are comfortable. It will energize them. They will be more on their toes to be able to fight. We have a lot of footballers. Most of the Ghanaian players, they are very good. Unfortunately, we have to be here ourselves because we won the heart of the coach, and I think it's a good place to show.
So that was Thomas Partey, who is first vice captain of the Black Stars. Bernard Mensah has also returned to the team. Remember, his very first call-up was under former manager Avram Grant. Well, he currently plays his club football for Besiktas in the Turkish league. Well, he says he's very privileged to be part of this very team, and he's looking forward to winning every game with the Black Stars.
We want to win every game because we are Black Stars. We have good players. Jordan Ayew today, Thomas. We have a very good squad, and I think we want to win every game. So I think these two games are very important for us, and also those who are new into the team, we want to prove something in these 2 games. I'm on the right path, I think, because I can see every year I'm progressing since I came to Turkey. So I think I'm on the right path, and now I have to be ready for all the games, and because I want to be back to the top again. That's what I'm preparing.
So that was Bernard Mensah. Let's still stay with the Black Stars, and Lomotey. Emmanuel Lomotey is also a new player for the team. He received his very first call-up under coach CK Akono, and he's hoping to get a goal at today's game. He has been brilliant in training, and it won't come to us as a surprise if he's able to get into the starting team or possibly come on in tonight's game. He's also been speaking ahead of the game.
Glad to be here and given the opportunity to join the Black Stars. It's like a dream come true. Every player's dream is to play for the Black Stars, so I'm very excited to join the team, and when given the opportunity, I just have to take the opportunity and just make good use of it. 2 days training with the team has been great, working hard towards the 2 matches, and so I'm very, very excited and I'm very ready. I think we're doing very well. We're doing very well in training. Good news is some of the guys are in now, and I think the team is ready now for the 2 games, and I think that's the positive signs, and they're ready for it.
So that was Emmanuel Lomotey, of course, in Turkey. But here in Ghana, the sports minister Isaac Isiama is also talking about the Black Stars. Well, he's upbeat about the team's chances going into the international friendlies, and he's hoping that the team will start off very well against Mali in today's game.
COVID-19 pandemic. This is our first task, our first national assignment coming out of the COVID-19 pandemic. We hope and pray that the Black Stars once again will lift high the flag of Ghana. The Black Stars once again will become the stars that we are all proud of. The Black Stars once again will live up to expectation because they will imbue in them that high spirit of patriotism and nationalism. Ghanaians are proud of our Black Stars. A new Black Stars that will indeed show to the world that Africa has come of age in terms of football.
So that was Sports Minister Isaac Isiama. Remember, the game is 8 p.m. Turkish time, which will be 5 p.m. Ghana time. We'll definitely bring you updates in our subsequent sports bulletins. But away from the Black Stars, and we'll still stay with one of the players in the camp of the team. Thomas Partey sealed a deadline transfer move to Arsenal before joining the Black Stars in Turkey. Well, he has a message for the Gunners.
Hello Gunners, thanks so much for the love, for the messages I've received. I can't wait to be part of you guys. I can't wait to join the team. It's a great feeling, you know, to be part of a family like this. And thanks so much to everyone for the love. I feel so grateful and I feel so amazed to be part of you. I can't wait to join you guys. And don't forget, no Thomas, no Partey.
Well, I'm sure the Gunners out there are very excited. Of course, we've seen it on social media and everywhere. We see how it will all go down when he finally joins the team after the international break. But I mean, before I take leave of you, let's do some Roland Garros updates. And the finals of this year's Roland Garros in the women's division will be between Sofia Kenin from Australia and then Polish teenager, that's Iga Swiatek. After the two, you know, contrasting displays in their semi-finals, the 21-year-old finished off Petra Vitova in the semi-final to book a place in the final. And Swiatek, of course, will be the first Polish woman to play in the finals of the Roland Garros. And she finished off Nadia Podoroska to book a place at this stage of the championship. So that's how we end sports here on MS Bricks. My name is Benedict. So thanks so much for watching. But of course, we are back on your screens again tomorrow morning with Playmakers from exactly 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Do make a date. Until then, bye-bye.